Hi, welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.
And then they restocked, but they're still good to go.
All right, boba, who doesn't love boba? All right, so we've got...
Well, before that, let me also give a big shout out to all the volunteers out here. Again, there's over 200 volunteers that kind of helped out. You see a lot of people with the white shirts. They all were a big part of this from this morning, 6 a.m. all the way to 5 p.m., I guess, coming up. Also, wanted to thank all the sponsors, starting with Skylink TV. Actually wanted to give a shout out. They actually have 2 of these little piggy banks, and they wanted me to say, since they were channel 4.2, whose birthday is April 2nd? April 2nd. Do we have a hand? Hand or two? Who's the closest to April 2nd? First hand up gets this.
Oh, right
there's one and there's 2.
There's
Come
one
on
in
up.
front too.
Skylink TV has been so gracious to help us with sponsorship this year, and they have over 10 hours of Taiwanese programming, so definitely check them out. Also, next to the Skylink booth over there, we have Asian Art Museum. As they mentioned earlier, they have an exhibit going on where the National Palace Museum of Taiwan will bring over a lot of exhibition items and showing them off in the museum. And then also we have TaiwaneseAmerican.org. Definitely check them out. A lot of good information. AADP, and then the orchids. Who got an orchid today? Hopefully some of you guys. Great.
Got a lucky winner here. What's your name again?
What's your Nadia?
Oh, how cute is that? Well, congratulations. And
Here you go.
yeah, nice.
And then I think we have one more sponsor. We thank all the food. We have a couple different vendors out there. And then our title sponsor this year was Kenda Tire, so definitely check them out at kendatire.com.
All right, very good. Now we've got some presentations. We'd like to thank Matsu Temple
Could you guys please come up? If you're
and
around?
Stephanie Song here is the president of TAP SF. And John Yan. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so one more time, Matsu Temple. Picture. Thank you, Albert. We have one more to thank. 谢谢. And I from this place, Fremont, so I'm also happy to bring up Fremont Taiwan School. Here we go. Thank you, Fremont Taiwan School. Photo. You guys, thanks for coming out. Stick around. Taiwan Orchids again over there. Learn about Taiwan tourism at the Bureau. There's food in the corner, arts and crafts, cultural exhibit. There's so much to Taiwan and the culture, so you can't get enough of it. I know Eric touched on this, but I really want to give special thanks in particular. So to everyone wearing a white shirt, thank you so much. Can we give a round of applause to all the volunteers who've been up since 5 this morning? Yes. And in particular, I'd like to shout out to President of TAP, Stephanie Song, right here. She's so much of her time. You guys, let's give it up for Stephanie. And some more names. Vivian Liu, Alex Wu, Sandy Lee, Ada Chen, Eric Yang, right here. Gina Chen, Ryan Chen, Stephen Chen, Chun Wing, and Alice Chang. So one more time, you guys, can you give it up for them? Thank you. Do you want to say anything, Steph?
Oh, and then I definitely also would like to do my honors and thank a lot of 北加州台湾同乡会联合会的一些大家长们的帮忙，没有他们，没有我们今天。首先当然是林正元会长，然后也是李嘉玲副会长， 然后还有我们的可爱的陈立都，我们永远的文化主委，以及我们最爱的 Charlie 钟正乾那个体育主委，也是客家乡亲会的会长。有没有你们的支持然后也要真的是很谢谢台湾观光局、侨委会以及经文处的大力支持还有台糖的兰花真的是每年有这么盛大的如果没有你们真的不行，所以台上一鞠躬，谢谢各位。
Thank you guys. Thanks for making it such a great event. Don't forget to check out this stuff online as well to learn more about Taiwan and the organizations that are here in the Bay Area. Thank you guys so much.
Thanks
Enjoy
again.
yourselves in San Francisco.
Welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.